Introducing the luxurious and eco-friendly 2022 Volvo XC40 Rchrg Ultimate 5 Door Auto in sleek black. This electric vehicle offers a smooth ride with a 1.5 litre engine and automatic transmission. Packed with comfort and safety features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and more. The interior boasts cup holders and luxury trim for added convenience. With styling features like roof rails and privacy glass, this Volvo is both stylish and secure. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-spec servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. For more information on this exceptional vehicle, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today. Drive in luxury and sustainability with the Volvo X40 Rchrg Ultimate.